Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up LED notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S22. So in order to do that, we'll need to download the app from Google Play Store. It's called NotifyBuddy. So we open Google Play Store, start searching for an app and write NotifyBuddy. Press on the search, click install. It's this app. After install is complete, click on the open. We can go to the next step, and from here we'll need to grant 2 permissions to our app. So let me show you how to do that. So I just pressed on a grant, and here I will need to find the NotifyBuddy. It's right here. I'm gonna press on the this click button right here, and it's allowed now. We go back, grant other permission, find the app NotifyBuddy right here, click on the switch, go back, and now both of the permissions are lighting in green, so that means that they are granted. And the third option here is to disable the battery optimization, but it's optional and you don't need to do it unless your app works, actually doesn't work. Let's move to the next step, press OK, and our app is ready to be installed. So now we have the user apps right here, we have system apps right here, active apps right here. There's nothing found because I didn't select any, and the settings right here. So in the user apps you'll see all the apps that you've installed yourself on your phone, and you'll be able to enable the LED notifications for them. So for example, I'm gonna enable it for YouTube Music. It's a bit tricky, but let's just do that. In system apps you can find the apps that are default installed on your phone. So here you'll find all the system apps like calls, for example. And in the third option there's active, and here you'll see all the apps that you've just pressed the switch on. Now to customize the LED itself, we'll need to go to the settings. And from here we can either enable or disable LED, customize its time, like the delay between the lightnings, and disable for silent notifications. All the options visible here. You can also change its shape, its position or size, but it's most of the customization options are locked behind the premium version of this app, which you will need to pay for. So now let's press on the test, and we can see the LED lamp right here. So if our phone is locked and we get notifications from the apps that we've just selected, we'll get this form of the LED notification. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.